How to remove admin from Facebook page. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove Facebook page. In order to do this procedure, first of all update your application and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. Now on this page, tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner and click on the profile icon next to the gear, and from here go ahead and open up the pages. Once you open up your page, now tap on try bar icon once again and go to the gear icon. It's gonna take you to the pages, and here you'll be able to see page settings and all that. So click on the first option that says page settings, and it's gonna direct you personal information regarding the page. Here scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find new page experience, and under this section you can also see page access. Click on it, and over here you'll be able to either add a new admin on your Facebook page, or you can just simply remove the person that you don't want to give them access of your page anymore. So tap on the three dot icon. As soon as you click on the three dot icon, you'll be able to see remove access. After that, you'll just need to tap on it, and for the confirmation you might be asked to type in the password associated with the page, and that's basically how you can remove admin from Facebook page. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.